Jyotsna, have you went through the recorded class of what are the
Uh,
keywords?
yes, actually, I have a one doubt.
Yes, please go ahead.
Actually, I just want to know the benefits of SEO and keywords. Like, how can we use it in
So,
our creations or
okay, the usage of keywords, like how you can use it, will be shown in the practical, like coming practical classes, like how you can use the keywords, which we have, like, for which we have done keyword research. But like talking about the benefits of SEO, we can discuss it right now. The first one is like the important thing is when discussing about SEO, like why we do SEO is so that we can increase the visibility of our website. Like this is the very basic one. We all know that. The second one is that the SEO is very cost effective. Like we don't have to pay anything to do like SEO, and these 2 points like make it very important to do SEO. And then the third one is it generates like it improves the brand awareness. Like when we do SEO, people know about our brand. People know that yes, this is what we are offering. This is what we are selling. And when we do SEO, our website's visibility increase, which will help us our website to get more trust and authority. And the if I talk about like website from SEO's point of view, from for a business point of view, that yes, it helps us to get conversions or leads. Like people know, when people know about our business, we will get leads and we will convert those leads to actual customers. So that is also a benefit of SEO, and it also help us to like give when like SEO is an ongoing process. Like when we do SEO, it will give us long term traffic. But when we do like SEM, search engine marketing, it gives us only short term traffic, but SEO gives us long term traffic. So these are the like main benefits of SEO.
okay, ma'am.
And the part, we will be doing that in the coming classes, like how you can practically do that. Any queries related to the keyword research part? Tuheen and Jyotsna, any?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Okay. Okay, then probably today or tomorrow I'll be uploading an assignment on the portal regarding keyword research. So please note that you all have to do practical activities regularly. When you like, if you will not be doing these assignments, there might be some, you might face some issues while getting your certifications. So please do all the practical assignments properly, because this is for your benefit only. Because theoretical thing is a different thing. When you will do things practically on your own, you will understand them very quickly and very easily.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, like any one of you can tell me what we have discussed yesterday, like which tool we were discussing?
Google PageSpeed Insight.
Okay.
Insight.
Yes. And what we
Uh,
discussed in that?
Actually, by this we analyze the website LCP, FCP, INC, CLS, CTFV, etc. Mean Google speed, website speed.
Yes, the main thing why we use Google PageSpeed Insight is we get to know about how our website is performing in terms of speed and user experience. So that is what was included. That is what actually Google PageSpeed Insight includes. Okay, I'll be
Okay.
sharing my screen now. Please let me know once my screen is visible. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you remember the terms we discussed yesterday, or any queries related to those terms? Yes, no,
No, ma'am.
what, okay. So I assume those terms were clear to both of you. Okay, so we discussed till this point yesterday. So now we will be going through. This is Google PageSpeed Insight. You just have to open it, paste your website's URL. And then you will see some results. It is diagnosing right now. So it will take some time to see the mobile and the desktop version analysis. So it has diagnosed for the desktop version. So it shows that the performance percentage of our website is 73%, and how accessible is our website is 87%, and we have used 93% of the best practices. And from the point of view of SEO, we have like 100% SEO score in that. Talking about the performance, we discuss about the first contentful paint, that for the desktop version, it opens in 0.3 seconds, which is a very good time, which is in green section. So do you remember what is a good FCP score
1.8 second
or less?
or less.
Yes. And it says that the LCP is 2.2 second, but it should be less than that. Then we have total blocking time, like total blocking time is 230 milliseconds, but it should be, do you remember, any one of you remember what was the good score for total blocking time?
Uh, 600 ms
What is MS?
millisecond.
Okay. Are you sure about the total blocking time score?
Ma'am, 600 millisecond, that was for TTFP.
Okay, what was the total blocking time score? So, so, okay, Jyotsna or Tuheen, like, are you sure? Both of you are sure about your answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then if both of you are sure, like, who is doing a mistake? Yes. Both of you are sure. When we were discussing in the class, I told all both of you, like every one of you, to know, like, yes, this is a good this score and that score. I asked you to note everything down. Okay, so a good please note it down now. A good total blocking time is 0 to 200 milliseconds.
What ma'am?
0 to 200 milliseconds. 0 to 200 milliseconds. So this is a good TBT score. So please remember this. Okay. Okay, students.
Okay then.
Yes. Then we have cumulative layout shift. So the good score for cumulative layout shift is
0.1 second or less.
good. Then the speed index. What was the actual speed index? A good speed index score. Any answers? Students? Yes or no? At least give me an answer. So if you don't remember, then it's fine. We can discuss it again.
No ma'am.
Forgot.
Okay.
I forgot.
Okay. So a good speed index is 0 to 3.4 seconds.
Ma'am, will you repeat it again?
Sorry.
Could you please repeat this again?
A good speed index is considered under 3.4 seconds. That means 0 to 3.4 second, and that is for mobile version I'm talking about. For desktop version, it should be 0 to 1.3 second. Desktop. Okay. I'll repeat again. For mobile version, it should be 0 to 3.4 second, like under 3 second basically, 3.4 second basically. And for desktop version, it should be under 1.3 second.
Okay.
Now, I showed you yesterday that yes, this is the tree map. This is how our website will be loading when someone opens our website. And this is the matter of only milliseconds, which is shown here. This is the tree map. And talking about the insights, it has given us some insight that these are the things we should improve so that we can improve the speed of our website. The first one is render blocking resources or requests. So these are basically some style sheets or some HTML reports that blocks the browser from actually rendering page content to the screen, from actually showing the page content to the screen. So these resources delay the first paint of the web page. So we should this is saying that we should improve that and we should work on that. And it has showed that we have LCP request discovery. We have to improve that. And network dependency, we have how much dependency are there on the network. So that is, then if we have cache, then we have to work on that. Images, like how many, if the images are of big size, we have to try to make it like of a smaller size. We have to decrease the size of the images. Then JavaScript, if we have some JavaScripts, we have to work on that. If we don't use JavaScript, then we should remove that. And then this is like reduce JavaScript. We have to these are the main things which are to be done by the developer, not the SEO person. We just have to tell them Yes, this is the thing. You have to reduce the CSS files which are not used. You have to reduce the JavaScript. You have to do this and that. We can just tell them, and rest will be done by our developer. Then we have accessibility. So these are says that our website's background and the like front foreground or the main color do not have a good contrast ratio. So we can improve that also. Then it says that some elements do not have to be associated with the label elements. So these are the terms which are to be told to the developer only. Then he or she will be working on that. So these are just suggestions in like by which we can improve our website. Then we have like 93 best practices, but this is like for user experience, like the image size is incorrect. We have to work on that. And generally, like browser, some errors were logged for the browsers. And the things which are in red are to be taken care urgently, like on urgent basis. Rest of the things can wait. Like just use hundreds, so we don't have to work on that. Coming to the mobile version, so it is saying the same thing for the mobile version only also. So but the performance score is less as compared to the textured version because the total blocking time is a lot more than desktop version. As you can see, it is 230 here, but it is 930 here, and for LCD it is 2.2, and here it is 5.3, and in speed index it's 8.4, but here it is 3.4. So these are the things which need to be taken care of, and the same thing the like told here also the JavaScript, the CSS file, and everything. So these are the terms you have to tell to your developer, and then they will be working on the same. So I hope this part is clear, like what is the PageSpeed Insight. So it is a very good and reliable tool, and it has some limitation but the only limitation for this tool is that it takes a lot of time to load, like to process all of these things. As you have seen that it was diagnosing and taking a good amount of time for diagnosing. And but the main thing depends on like what is the size of your website, like how much time it takes to load or to do analysis. So purely depend on the size of your website. Okay.
Okay.
I hope this part is clear. Google Page Speed Insight.
Hmm.
Jyotsna, is
Yes,
that
ma'am.
clear? Jyotsna, is that clear to you?
Ma'am, actually my network is gone, that's why I don't know anything.
Sorry.
Ma'am, actually my network has gone, so
So
I don't.
what was the last thing you heard?
I heard the last thing about the network dependency tree.
Like for how much time your network has to go?
What, ma'am?
Like what was the time period like when you were not present in the class, like your network issues, like for
Yeah,
how many minutes what your network was? 1 second, I will check like about so yeah. So we were discussing this part and then your network went away. Network
yes,
dependency
ma'am.
tree. Okay, then we were just discussing that if we're talking about the things which are in red, these things need to be taken care of urgently. Yellow, yes, we can delay them a bit. but we have to take care of them like in coming future. But then we were discussing that we have to reduce the JavaScript execution time, the JavaScript like or the CSS files. We have to reduce some of the unused CSS files. And the basic motive behind like reducing or doing all of these things is to reduce the excess things on the website. Like we have to compress the size of the images as well when we are using some images on the website so that it don't affect the loading speed of our website. So that is the main motive behind it. Then we discussed the same thing is with the mobile version also, but it has some more issues. So we have to work more on that because the total blocking time is a lot more as compared to the desktop version. As you can see, 230 here and 930 here. And even the speed index is a lot more as compared to the desktop version. So that was all we discussed. And sorry. And at last, I just said that yes, Google Page Speed Insights is a good and reliable tool. The only thing which like is in like on the only drawback or only limitation in this tool is that it takes a lot of time to process or load your website or the website diagnosis, like how it takes a lot of time to diagnose your website. But that thing purely depends on like how much what is the size of your website. Like if the size of your website is very small, like it contains only few things, not like more images or not JavaScript or not CSS files, anything. It contains like a fewer of them, then it will easily load very quickly. But on the other hand, if it has a lot of image, a lot of JavaScript, CSS file, then it will obviously take a lot of time to load that website. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, so that's all we discussed about Google PageSpeed Insight. I hope that this tool is clear, so we can move to the next tool. So the next tool is Google Trends. So Google Trends is basically a tool which allow users or which help users to explore and analyze like what is the popularity for a particular search query on Google over a specific period of time, over a particular period of time. It gives us insights, it gives us information into a relative search interest. Like particularly if we have searched for some keyword, it will show us like what is the interest of the people for that keyword, for that topic, or for that query. And the key features is that are that it enables the users to compare the popularity of multiple search terms or topics. I'll show you, then you will be able to understand what I'm saying. You just have to type Google Trends on Google and just click on this. Now, this is the homepage of Google Trends, and it shows like the latest things, or like you can subscribe to the newsletter here. It shows how you can start with Google Trends. What is Google Trends actually? What is trending on TV? What is trending like Google Trends data trending now, where you are, and things related to this. Like you can see everything, and it shows like the actually news which are like trending right now. It shows us that as well, like Liverpool and this thing. It is showing information related to that as well. Then these information keeps on changing, and what we can do is we can compare any of the topic. Like for example, digital marketing. I have searched for this. So if I click on enter, it will take me to this page, and you can see that it is showing the interest over time. So it is showing like you can even change the country, you can change even the days, like you can change the country, or you can choose for worldwide. You can change if you want the data from 2004 to till date. You can change that, and even you can change the categories as well, like which category you want to know the topic about, and then you can change the web search to image search or news search, shopping or YouTube search. So as you can see, we have already mentioned that we just want the data from past day, or let's say we want the data from past 7 days for worldwide. So it is loading. So as you can see that the interest has gone down on 11th of September, then came back like up high on 12th of September, then again down on 13th, up and up and down, like going this. And sometimes, like for some topics, it shows here a dotted line as well, which means that it shows the forecast of how this term will be working or will be trending in coming future. So this basically shows the trend. And then as you can see, it has shown the interest by region. Yes, like yes, in Canada we have this much interest, in Mexico, then Brazil, Argentina, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, India, Australia. It is showing like interest, Japan and New Zealand. So it is showing interest for which country it is highest. Then you can see this data. Yes, this is higher than these countries. Then it also shows like what all related topics are there for your queries, or what everything you can search for it. Traditional digital marketing for doctors, digital marketing services in Bangalore, digital marketing agency for healthcare, and it is showing me multiple results for the same. And you can so it basically tells what topics are most searched and trending right now. If I talk about trend, like what is a trend? Any one of you can tell me what is a trend basically? Students, do you know what is a trend? Like it is a very common term. You can tell me in simple language what is a trend? Trend, trend.
Yeah, I think trend is the latest updates, what is going on at the moment around the world.
Yes, correct, Sam. So trend is basically a journal direction in which like something is developing or changing, or more people are going in that direction of that topic particularly. So trend is basically that thing. So it is a Google tool, and it is very accurate, and we can compare two or more keywords. If I say we can search for Google digital marketing course, digital marketing training. So you just have to go for the search term because we are searching right now. You can make comparison of two or more terms. So you can see the digital marketing course is in blue, the digital marketing training is in the red, and you can see that yes, training has yeah, this line I was talking about. Yes, this is forecasting the future that it will be going down in the coming future. And this is showing that the trend of Google training is decreasing, and the trend of digital marketing course might decrease in the coming future in few hours or few days. So this is the forecast for the same. Then we have digital marketing goals throughout, like it shows the breakdown by regions, like which country has, like most of the countries has search for digital marketing course, like hardly anyone of have searched about digital marketing training. Let's check for another thing. So yes, you can see the trend for these two are showing that yes, these terms will be going up and this will also go up, these both of these terms. And this is showing me the breakdown country-wise. Let's go for city-wise. So it has shown only few of the countries. Let's change the setting to India only. Yes, the trend has changed now. It is showing that the digital marketing course keyword or trend will be going up, but SEO course will be going down. And then it is showing the sub-regions. Let's go for cities. So as you can see, like most of the cities has the trend for digital marketing course rather than SEO course. And then it is showing me the related queries, like what all are the related queries or the trending things, like digital marketing course in institute in Hyderabad, then online reputation management, and this is some website, then digital marketing course Navi Mumbai, best digital marketing course in Hyderabad, Hansraj College digital marketing course. So this is showing me the trend for digital, like the related queries for digital marketing course. Whereas in SEO course, it shows the like SEO, online SEO training course, local SEO course in Surat, in Jaipur, in Bangalore. So this is showing me the related queries for different terms. And I can change the settings to like past day as well. So in past day, you can see like Chandigarh has the most interest in digital marketing course. Okay, any one of you tell me any two terms which we can compare right now? Quickly, any two terms.
Digital.
Rachna, your voice is lagging. I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, I was saying AI or digital marketing course.
Something like different from this digital marketing thing. Something different, very different. Out of this education industry, something else. Students quickly, any two terms I'm saying. Are you able to hear me, all of you? If yes, I want any two terms quickly which we can search on Google, right?
Sorry, what was the question?
I was saying that can you please tell me any two terms which we can compare and see results for the same in Google Trends? Like we have searched for digital marketing course and we have compared like these two terms. I want you both, like all of you, to tell me any terms which we can compare right now. This thing is very easy. Like, can you tell me any of the random topics?
I think I have to change to my laptop. Your voice, I can't get it well.
I was saying, can you tell me any two terms or three terms which we can compare so that we can see the trends for those terms. We need Jyotsna, like any terms, any random terms. This
And
is,
I was
Madam,
saying
I
about the
just
AI.
I know you are saying about AI. I'm just
Yeah.
saying anything else out of this digital marketing thing, like any other industry.
uh, madam, eye testing or spectacle?
These, let's check.
Yes,
Should I go for spectacles or you want me to go for glasses?
CLE.
I'm asking, I know that spelling. I'm asking, there was an option for glasses as well. So I was saying that do you want me to go for spectacles or do you want me to go for,
Uh,
but the thing is, these two terms are related to each other. So this is, I guess this is nothing to compare, but let's see. The average is only one for eye testing and it is very one for spectacle only and it has zero, like spectacle has changed only few times and eye testing has went above only once, and this is like very plain graph. So if you guys are not telling me, let me think of some terms.
spectacle and contact lens.
Okay, we can do that.
Okay.
Let's compare another term. So these are the terms we can compare, like we can compare two or more terms. As you can see, yes, this is something, this is the graph which I wanted. You can see that there are multiple changes in this term. We can add one more so that we can make it more complicated for comparison. Now you can see the comparison. Yes, the clutch has the most like good average, then dot bag, then sling, then handbag. So as you can see, the trend for clutch is mostly high, but somewhere the uh, trend for dot bag went up, and then again the trend for clutch is very high as compared to the other terms. And then it is showing us that in Tamil Nadu, mostly people are going for clutch, then tote bag, then handbag, then tote bag and sling bag are on the same section. And talking about Chhattisgarh, like mostly people are going for handbag and rest of them are going for clutches. There is no in between for sling or tote, no, nothing. In Delhi, we have I think 40% for clutch, 29% for tote bag, 18% for sling bag, and then 13% for handbag. And this was a journal comparison. Then we have like interest related to handbag. It is showing the related queries like Louis Vuitton handbag, Louis Vuitton bags, Dior handbags, Yes handbags. So these are the like brand names which people are searching for. And then talking about the sling bag, this is also the brand name Coach mini sling bag, then Michael Kors sling bag, Zara sling bag, LV sling bag, LV sling bag, women. And you can see that then Ted Baker bag, Armani sling. It has included the brand names with it. And even the price also. So, and even you can change it for 12 months or anything. it is showing a very different trend. So this is that was a homepage we discussed first. Then now explore where you can compare two or more terms with each other. Like we have compared almost four terms. Then this is the trending now page. You can select the location from here. Then you can check like which like how past information you want. You can check that, and which category news you want to like read or you want to see, and then which trend you want to like all trends or show active trends only, or you I want to know all of the trends, and which relevance, like you have to sort it by title, by search volume, vacancy, or the relevance. Then the most trending topic right now is like Ireland versus England. That has over 1,000, like it searches has gone 1,000% up and 500K plus search volume. Then Pakistan versus UAE that has 1 million plus search volume. And then we have multiple things here. So this shows which topic or which news is trending right now and what is it like, how many people are searching for the same, when did it started, and the trend breakdown, and what was the trend in past 24 hours, like how was it? So it is showing everything. So this is what Google Trends is used for. This also says that it enables user to compare the popularity of multiple terms and topics that only we discussed. It also gives a geographic region where the terms is search more, like most searched. We also saw that while using Google Trends. And it also gives us related queries or topics with that particular search term, and which allows users to explore the trending stories or insight based on the current event. So let's say the use cases, like where you can use them. We have PageSpeed Insight, which is useful for website owners, developers, SEO professionals. Why? Because they have to optimize the web page performance, improve user experience, which will positively impact the search engine rankings. Then we have Google Trends, why we use it? It is valuable for content creator who want to know that which trending, which is the what is the trending topic, which they can use to create content for like their pages or their businesses. Then we have like the marketers who are and the people who are interested in market. Then businessmen or women to understand the search trend, identify what is the popular topic, and they can tailor the content strategies based on what is the current interest of the people. So these are the uses which we discuss about both of the tools, and I hope with these two tools, Google PageSpeed Insight and Google Trends, is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any queries?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then if everything is clear, we can wind up our today's class here only, because I don't want to stretch it more. And from the next class, probably we will be starting with one second, types of SEO. What are the types of SEO? And maybe today or tomorrow I'll be giving you a practical assignment. So like please complete that on time within the deadline given to all of you. It will be uploaded on your dashboards. Okay?
Ma'am, I want to know
Yes.
one thing, that how to
Yes.
do that you're telling about the assignments now, that how we have to do it.
Everything is mentioned. Like you saw how we did keyword research. Okay, you just have to do the same thing only. I'll give you everything will be mentioned. Yes, you have to use this tool and you have to do it according to what we have taught you in the class, nothing extra. Okay, Jyotsna?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
even after receiving the assignment, if you face any issues, you can like just type in the group, or you can text me personally on WhatsApp. I can help you for the same. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then thank you for joining, everyone. I'll see you in the next class. Bye,
Okay,
everyone.
ma'am.
Have
Thank
a
you.
nice day
Bye.
ahead. Bye.
Thank you.
Yes, fine.